Hello friends, welcome to the Red Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's new RTX 4060 graphics card gaming MLG. So friend, MSI has launched additional custom design for the RTX 4060 graphics card, further expanding their offerings since the initial RTX 4060 gaming series. And the new NV edition introduced by MSI is colored in a distinctive green, symbolizing MSI's collaboration with Nvidia and friend. MSI has introduced a vibrant red color palette supplemented by the Dragon Maiden theme backplate and RGB lighting. This combination aims to offer gamers a unique visual appeal. It's worth noting that MSI has targeted this release mainly for Chinese market with promotional activities and announcement primarily on Chinese social media, and the availability of this unit might be limited through the specific quantity remain undisclosed by MSI, and friends, it will be start available on 23rd October. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.